Hello everyone. So my name is Anmol and today is the first video of the Python series, and I'll be starting with one of the most important and confusing concepts. So if you have written any Python program, you must have used this syntax, right? This piece of code. So if this is a dunder meter actually. So this underscore name is equal to main, then we write something, right? Some executable code. Now, why do we need this? So we'll try to understand this. So let's go to the sum folder. So I'm using VS Code for now. So I'll create file1.py. Okay. And let's write simple code. We print hello world, right? And let's run this. So if I run this Python file1.py, right? So you see the output, right? Now, if I write if main is name is equal to main, right? Now, what is this? Hello inside me. Now, if I print this, you can see both the output, right? Hello world from here and hello inside me, right? So first we try to understand the dunder methods. So we call there are multiple dunder methods like name, file, talk, package, and dict, and Python automatically create these variables. Okay, so you can print this variable and check the name. So let's say print name, right? And if I run the program, so if I see hello world and the name of this variable is the output is main, right? And then it is comparing which is true, then it is executing this. Now, it becomes useful when you use this file as a module. So let's write another program. So I created another file, file2.py, and I'll import file1, right? Now, if what will happen if I run this? So let's say if I run this, this code should run, right? So I'll run Python file2.py. If you see, hello world is printed, hello world is printed, and the name of this file is file1, not main, right? And the name variable has file1, which is not matching, so it is not going inside this. Now, the concept here is, let's say if you have a multiple function, right? Let's say def greet, I'll create, okay. And if you are executing this greet, okay, or you might create multiple function related to mathematical calculation, right? And then for the testing purpose, you are executing this without writing this, right? So what will happen whenever you want to use this greet function, you can use it, right? So you can simply use like greet times, okay, right? And you can call greet, although there is no, we are not returning anything. So we can simply call greet function, right? Now, so we have used this, right? Now let's run this. So Python file2.py. If you see, it is not defined because I need to import this file one import greet. Let's run it. You can see hello from file one and hello from file. There are two, this is running two times, right? Because you called this function for the testing purpose when you created this file1.py, okay? And it executed this, and then it executed this great function, right? In the file2.py. So whenever you are using for the testing purpose, so you don't want the certain piece of code to execute when you are importing that file or that complete file, right? Because when you import the complete file, import file one, it will run the entire code, right? But we have printed that when you print the name of name variable here, so now name variable is not main, the name variable is the name of the file one, right? So what we can do, we can write the create function here. Now this, whenever we import file one, it will not go inside this and it will not going to execute create function. So if you see right now, there will be no out if I not call this, and I simply run python file2.py, there is no output, right? Because The name variable has make file one and the condition fails over here, right? It is not executing. So we can simply use the split function. So this is the use of main if name is equal to main, right? So I can show you. So let's say if you have a file 1.py and you have a DB connections API calls model training and test code, and when you import this file, everything will run, right? Which you don't want. So what we can do, we can put inside the condition if name is equal to main, right? Then it will not execute it by default. So that's it. Thank you.